Namaskar. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was our beloved and most popular people's president. His talks to children, students, and in general to public were phenomenal. In the recent history, I can only think of Dr. Kalam, who truly inspired students like never before. Not just the students, but even all age groups. Even a person in utter despair would get back to his spirit of life once he or she listens to Dr. Kalam. People of India will always cherish his tenure as president and especially his famous quotes and poetry. In general known as Missile Man of India, he led DRDO in the most crucial phase of growth of DRDO. Those who came across him were mesmerized by his personality, simplicity, authenticity, and at the same time, he had a sense of light humor that could diffuse even the most serious argumentative situations. He had the skills of handling any kind of human behavioral trait, highly intelligent but arrogant, intelligent but non expressive, very talkative. His handling of human resource was outstanding, and he had the knack of making even the most tough and difficult people to accept and listen to him. He had the capability of convincing people to simply perform to their best, and that too without any hard talk or neither much pressure. It appeared that people in his presence a sort of surrendered to his ideas and felt that his commands and directions were the best option. As a scientist, he had tremendous intuitive technical acumen and grasp of systems, and his technical judgments were always spot on. That was because of his vast experience. For many people, it would need hours of simulation to arrive at the same conclusions at system level. This special capability made him an excellent reviewer, and the timely course corrections given by him to the development teams yielded rich dividends. His memory was something phenomenal and effortless. He would exactly remember what were the commitments made to him during the previous review. He always solved problems by building appropriate teams and by bringing in right experts for the right job. This knack of identifying technical capabilities of people and appropriate utilization of the same brought up DRDO. He also identified and nurtured technical leadership. General Sundaram, Dr. Prasad Rao, Mr. R.N. Agarwal, Dr. Saraswat, Dr. Avinash Chandra, Dr. Prahlada, Mr. P. Venugopalan, Mr. Chakrabarti, and many other scientists who worked with Dr. Kalam grew up, and in their own right they were stalwarts. He created number of leaders by his inspiring and nurturing them. Another trait of Dr. Kalam was to focus on solutions rather than managerial obstacles and failures. He never did any witch hunting. As a matter of principle, people around him developed humility to accept their shortcomings and worked on improving their competence. He was always cordial but never gossiped. When someone talked to him even casually, it would always turn out to become a review of some project progress. And he would always discuss how to solve certain problems. He hardly talked any other topics other than those related to the projects of national interest, the science and technology problems, and also of human values. Whoever have come across Dr. Kalam will always cherish his memories, and he is an ever inspiring icon who cannot fade away into history, but always evergreen in the memories of citizens of India. Thank you.